Hi. Nowadays, we are getting a lot of inquiry from our existing customer or from the lead. They want to do some predictive analysis of the business, how the business is going to do in next 6 months, next 1 year, so on. And I always ask them the questions: if do you have historical data analysis of your business, like how your business did in last 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and so on. If so, definitely you should think about predictive analysis. If not, first do the historical data analysis. There are many tools available in the market, and this technology is called business intelligence, where you can configure your data for historical data analysis also. These analysis can help you to make many business decisions, and definitely you can configure lot of logics. Even these tools are AI enabled. They will show a lot of predictions about your business. Hope you understand. And if you have data, please contact us for historical data analysis also and for